Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about money, where your financial future is secure, and you can enjoy the things you love without stress. Want to watch your money grow, even while you sleep? Investing allows your money to work for you, generating returns and building wealth over time. That's the power of investing. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a mighty tree in the future. It's the smartest way to build wealth over time. By making informed decisions and staying committed, you can achieve financial success. Imagine this: you put your money to work in the market. Over time, it earns interest, dividends, and grows in value, creating a snowball effect of wealth accumulation. It earns interest, dividends, and grows in value. This compounding effect is what makes investing so powerful. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about patience, strategy, and making your money work harder for you. It's about making your money work harder for you, so you can achieve your long-term goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, investing can help you get there. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who wants to secure their financial future and build a better life. It's for everyone who wants to secure their financial future. No matter your background or current financial situation, you can start investing today. Whether it's saving for retirement, ensuring you have enough to live comfortably in your golden years, a down payment on a house, or your children's education, investing is the key. It provides the financial foundation to achieve these important milestones. It's time to take control of your finances and pave your way to a brighter future. Start investing today and watch your dreams turn into reality. Ever notice how prices keep going up? That's inflation. It's the gradual increase in prices over time, which means the money you have today won't buy as much tomorrow. This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to save for the future. It eats away at your savings, making your money worth less over time. Imagine working hard to save only to find out that your savings have less purchasing power. It's like a hidden tax on your money. But don't worry, investing is your secret weapon. By putting your money to work, you can combat the effects of inflation and even grow your wealth. Investing allows your money to earn returns, which can help you stay ahead of rising prices. Let's say you keep $1,000 under your mattress. While it might feel safe, it's actually losing value. In a year, due to inflation, that $1,000 might only buy you $950 worth of goods. That's a loss. Your money is essentially shrinking in value, making it harder to achieve your financial goals. Now imagine investing that $1,000. Instead of losing value, your money has the potential to grow. With a potential return of 7%, you could have $1,070 in a year. This growth helps you not only keep up with inflation, but also increase your wealth. That's the magic of compound interest. Your returns start earning returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth growth over time. Like a snowball rolling downhill, your returns start earning returns, accelerating your wealth growth. The longer you invest, the more powerful this effect becomes, helping you build substantial wealth. By investing, you're not just fighting inflation, you're outpacing it and building a more secure financial future. You're taking control of your financial destiny, ensuring that your hard-earned money works as hard as you do. Ready to dive in? Great. Start by setting clear financial goals. Is it retirement? A dream vacation? Knowing your why keeps you motivated. Next, create a budget and track your spending. Identify areas where you can save extra cash to invest. Remember, you don't need a fortune to get started. Choose an investment platform that suits your needs. There are plenty of user-friendly options available. Finally, start small. Even investing a little each month makes a difference. Section 4, Demystifying the Market Stocks, Bonds, and Beyond. In this section, we will break down the various investment options available to you, helping you understand the intricacies of each. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide will provide valuable insights into the world of finance. Now let's explore some popular investment options that can help you grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Each option has its own unique characteristics, benefits, and risks, so it's important to understand them fully before making any decisions. Stocks. Think of stocks as tiny pieces of ownership in a company. When you purchase a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a small part of that company. Stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time, especially if the company performs well. When the company does well, your stock value generally increases. However, It's important to note that stocks can be volatile and their value can fluctuate based on market conditions, company performance, and other factors. Bonds. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay back the loan with interest over a specified period. Bonds are generally considered to be safer investments compared to stocks, but they usually offer lower returns. They promise to pay back the loan with interest. Bonds can be a good option for those looking for a more stable and predictable income stream, especially during times of market uncertainty. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks or bonds, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio with a single purchase. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers, while ETFs are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. Real estate investing in property can be lucrative, but it requires significant capital and comes with its own set of risks. Real estate investments can provide rental income and potential appreciation in property value, but they also require ongoing maintenance and management. Remember, each investment carries different levels of risk and potential return. It's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and investment goals before diving into any investment. Diversifying your portfolio can help manage risk and improve your chances of achieving your financial objectives. Research carefully, or consult a financial advisor to determine what's best for you. A well-informed decision can make a significant difference in your financial journey, helping you build a secure and prosperous future. Section 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification. Imagine putting all your money into one company, and it suddenly goes bankrupt. Disaster. That's why diversification is crucial. Diversifying means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. It's like having a safety net for your portfolio. If one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the blow. Diversification is a simple yet powerful strategy to minimize risk and increase your chances of long-term success. Section 6. Slow and steady wins the race. Dollar cost averaging. Don't stress about timing the market perfectly. No one can predict its ups and downs consistently. Instead, embrace the power of dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. When prices are low, you buy more shares. When prices are high, you buy fewer. Dollar cost averaging takes the emotion out of investing. It's a disciplined approach that helps you build wealth steadily over time. Section 7. Start your investing journey today. A call to action. Investing might seem intimidating at first, but it's the single most effective way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start. Take that first step today. Educate yourself, seek guidance if needed, and start investing, even if it's a small amount. Every dollar invested is a step towards a brighter financial future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Start investing in yourself and your future now.